Hi, it's Nero from Hobby Unique Plastic Manufacturer Limited Companies. Welcome to our channels. And do you know why is a solid sheet can replace the glass? And do you know the solid sheets are 40 times impact resistance than the glass? And here's the big comparisons between the solid sheets and glass. Here we go. Glass is a solid mixed materials. The main component of the glass is the silicon dioxide. But on the other hand, the polycarbonates, the main component of the polycarbonate is microcircular polymers containing carbonates in suction chains. The polycarbonate solid sheet can prevent ultraviolet rays and can also have special hard and can't be broken easily. It can also add some anti-drop and other advantages in it. The high-quality polycarbonate solid sheet which can be used for more than 10 years. Do you know what colors can be made of solid sheets? Can the solid sheet be made to your favorite colors? Let's find out in the next issue.